Today, we will listen to a short English composition called At the Library. Last week, I went to the public library in my town to prepare for a school project. The library is one of the quietest and most peaceful places in the city. Many students and adults go there to read, study, or work in silence. When I entered the building, I immediately noticed the calm atmosphere. There were tall shelves filled with books of all kinds: novels, history books, science encyclopedias, and dictionaries. The smell of books and paper made the place feel serious and important. I chose a desk near the window and opened my notebook. The natural light helped me concentrate better. Around me, other students were reading or typing on their laptops. Nobody was talking loudly, and everyone respected the rules. A librarian helped me find the books I needed for my project. She was kind and patient, and she showed me how to search in the catalog. I learned that the library is not only a place for books, but also a place for information and knowledge. After finishing my work, I borrowed a novel to read at home. I felt proud because I had completed my task in a quiet and organized environment. In my opinion, the library is a very important place in every town. It encourages reading, learning, and responsibility. Even in the digital age, libraries remain valuable spaces for education and personal growth.